Alright, this is going to be a really quick video. Well, okay. Alright, as you see, we have a brand new microwave. It's a Sharp Carousel SMC1132CS. Same amount of watts as the old microwave. 1.1 cubic feet. I think it's the same size as our old microwave, but I'm not sure exactly. Apparently this was bought while I was at my grandma's this weekend, so I wasn't home. But it's already unboxed, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Well, unfortunately it doesn't light up when the door's open, but that's okay. This is just some leftovers from Dairy Queen. I think I'll put this on a paper plate and reheat it, because I don't want to reheat it in the box, so hold on. Okay, I got it on the plate now, as you see. So let's pop it in the microwave. I didn't finish eating last night for whatever reason, but we're gonna try to finish eating today. Let's see here. Oh, at least the beeping noise isn't that loud. How about we do minute 30 and do power level, let's do 6. At least the Megatron, or however you pronounce it, is not as loud as the old microwave. Perhaps I should have done 2 minutes, we'll just see. Yeah, apparently my mom taught me this thing very well to where you turn the power level down when reheating stuff. Normally she would do 80%, but I'm doing, well, it depends. Sometimes I'll do 60, depending on what kind of leftovers we heat up. Oh yeah, I can smell it now. Apparently this does have the controls lock as well, like the old microwave did, so therefore I don't have to unplug it just to clean it, if I had to. Ooh, the door's already fogged up, as I was trying to say there. Oh yeah, it's plenty warm. That's for sure. Yep. Alright, now real quick for bonus purposes, I'm going to try to heat up the gravy. Yeah. So I gotta be careful here, because this is in styrofoam, I gotta really be careful, and let's just see. I'm gonna do the 30-second here, and I'll stop it if it seems to bubble and whatnot. Ooh, yeah. Definitely shouldn't be. Now, you shouldn't be really doing this, but let's stop it here. You really shouldn't be heating this up with styrofoam. Oh yeah, it's already got some burnt marks. Let's see if I can stir it. Let's see if it's warm. Probably not yet. Oh. Okay, I stand corrected. Alright, well, that's pretty much it, y'all. So unfortunately, if you are a midnight snacker like I am sometimes, hold on a second. I'm trying to finish chewing for once, where my manners right. Alright, so I'm saying there, if you're ever a midnight snacker like I am sometimes, unfortunately you can't see what you're putting in, so. But it is what it is. I mean, it's understandable. Alright, well, I'm gonna eat now, and hopefully go live on YouTube in just a little bit. As soon as I get done eating, or I might go live while I'm eating. I don't know, probably not. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure y'all hit like, subscribe, comment down below what you think. Once again, this has been the Sharp Carousel Microwave. I'll show y'all the model one more time. SMC1132CS. It seems to be a pretty good microwave, to be honest. It's got the 30-second key. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.